Hey Heartbreakers, Elisa here, and thank you so much for joining me in class today. So in today's class, we're doing a mobility and stability workout today. So we're gonna be doing some scrambled eggs. So you're gonna be needing your long black straps that attach to your back platform, not the straps that attach to the carriage. It's the ones that attach to the back platform. So you're gonna need your black straps because we're doing scrambled eggs. So we're gonna be increasing hip mobility. And then we're gonna be finishing off class with elevator lunge with some stability training. So you're learning and getting stronger and how to work with your own body weight. So that's what we're doing in class today. So you need the black cables, you need a pillow or a towel for the comfort of your knees when we do scrambled eggs. You're gonna need your handlebars attached to your front platform. And then you're going to need a pole or a swipper to help you stabilize when we're doing elevator lunge and squats off the front of the machine. Anyway, Heartbreaker, thank you for joining me and we're gonna get started. All right, so make sure that your springs are on one black, one white. We're gonna be starting off with a sumo squat with row. So I want you to grab your cables, cross them, and all we're doing is we're squatting down, rowing in, resisting, coming right back up. So you want to be in a sumo squat position, feet slightly turned out. We're doing this to open up our hips. So squat down, row, squeeze your shoulder blades together, resist, dig through your heels and the outer edges of your feet, squeeze your butt and pause at the top. So bring it down, squeeze your shoulder blades together, release it, squeeze the glute to the top. So let's keep it going here. So pull it in, slowly resist, squeeze glute to the top like that, okay? And if this is too much for your hips, you can always have your feet be parallel to each other. So it'd be like sitting back, squeezing in, resisting at the top like this. So if you're taller, all you have to do is walk backwards. So you would be, let's say, all the way back here like this. So you're squatting down, squeeze it in, and come right back up like that. So that's if you're taller, but I'm gonna keep it going here. So down, squeeze, release, and come up. So we're warming up our full body here, warming up our knees, warming up our hips, warming up our shoulders. Squeeze, slowly release. And every time you come up, I want your heels to smash the floor. Squeeze. Release and dig and rise with your heels. Bring it down, squeeze it, come up. So today we have a scrambled egg series in class. So right now we're starting off these sumo squats to open up the hips. So like I said, we're warming up the back of the body here. So it's not about having the heaviest spring load right away. You're warming up your back of the body. So when we take it to our wheelbarrow, until we take it to our teaser, then you're going to be feeling the back of your body immediately activating because of the pre-activation we're doing right now. So I want you to hold it. Take a big inhale through your nose. Exhale, squeeze your belly button and spine, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. And all I want you to do is row out, squeeze your shoulder blades together, row in. So inhale out, exhale, row in, release slowly. Exhale, pull it in, release, slow, slow. Feel your lats pulling in the cables and feel your lats slowing down the carriage from moving to the front platform too quickly. Okay, a couple more seconds here. And just hold it right here. Squeeze your rotator cuffs. Relax your upper traps. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Pull navel to spine. So you can still stay on one black, one white. I just went down to one black spring. We're gonna do newspaper for the upper body to warm up our rotator cuffs. So make sure your cables are still crossed. And I want your elbows underneath your shoulders. And all you're doing is opening it up like in a newspaper and resisting right back down. So kind of like a squat hold. in the lower body, but it's all about the teeny tiny muscles that connect this bone to the shoulder blade, all right? So slowly opening, resisting slowly. So like I said, it's a shoulder warm up. If you've ever been in wheelbarrow, or teaser, or bear and just felt the move only in your neck, only in your upper traps, by starting class this way, by activating our lats, activating our rotator cuffs and our shoulders, we're going to really be able to get into the wheelbarrow, get into that teaser, and feel our upper back muscles stabilizing and helping us, all right? So it's not going to be in our face or our neck. So open it up, resist, resist. You want to be feeling it all right there. Okay, so big inhale and resist slowly in. So gains are to be had on the way opening and gains are to be had resisting right back in. All right, let's keep it going. Big inhale. Exhale, pull belly button to spine, open it up. Slowly resist right back in. And make sure that your wrist is not moving. You want to make sure your wrist is locked into your forearm. Let's do 10 more seconds until we hold it out. So the most common injury also is a rotator cuff injury. So it's so important we do this exercise. All right, hold it out right here. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale, squeeze your lower abs, squeeze the pelvic floor muscles, hold it here. Opening up that chest, so make sure you're not here, right? Chest is open. Hold it right here for 10, 9, 8, 7. We got presses in 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's open, resist. Open, resist. We got 10 more seconds, all right? Upper body's ready for the rest of this class. Woo, and let it go. So drop your cables and now let's go to 1 black and for a big challenge, 1 white spring. So this is the front of the machine. That's the back. We're going to be doing wheelbarrow off the front of the machine. So change your springs and then bring your knees on your carriage. Your hands are squeezing your front platform and you're pressing away. So before we get started, make sure that you're not sinking here. This is how your wrists are not going to feel good. Press away to feel all these muscles working there. So like I said, we pre-activated the back of our body in that row and in the newspaper. So let's get it started. Heartbreaker. Big inhale through your nose, shifting yourself backwards. Then you're using your lats, your triceps, your upper abs, lower abs to pull yourself in. All right, big inhale through your nose. Exhale, squeeze your abs in. And so remember, distance is resistance, right? So the farther you send it back, the more muscle fibers are going to be activating to pull yourself right back in. So you also want to stop once your shoulders and your wrists align with each other and you go right back out again. Big inhale. And then when you pull yourself in, I want you to squeeze your belly button into your spine and squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. So let's keep it going. Squeezing your glutes, squeezing your inner thighs together. Make sure that your hips don't look like this. So when I teach, this is the biggest thing that I see that's done incorrectly with the wheelbarrow. It's that the lower abs are relaxed, the tailbone sticking out. You want to tuck your tailbone here and pull it in like this versus this, I'm not going to feel good in my lower back. You want to pull your hips in. Let's keep it going. 30 more seconds, right? Inhale, exhale. So pressing away from your palms as you pull yourself in. So wheelbarrow, like I said, is a lats exercise as well as a core exercise, okay? Big inhale through your nose. Exhale, squeeze belly button to spine, squeeze the booty. When you squeeze your butt, your lower abs activate, okay? All right, last couple seconds here. Okay, so next up, we're gonna do plank to pike. So you can do it on your forearms. I'm gonna do it on my palms. When you do it on your palms, you get more upper body activation. So I'm on the palms here, but meet me in a plank. Flex your feet, shoulders on top of wrists, or shoulders on top of your elbows. And all we're doing is picking up our hips, long tailbone, looking at our knees, and slowly coming right back down with control. Bring it down. So big inhale through your nose. Big exhale. belly button to spine. All right, so I'm feeling my lats stabilizing my spine here. Feeling my core working big time. Slowly down for 4. And slowly up. Big inhale. Big exhale. So make sure that you're not tucking your tailbone here. You want to have a nice and long tailbone, right? Pick it up, pick it up. Slowly come back down. Modification would be a wheelbarrow, the move we just did, right? Last 10 seconds, heartbreaker.